Hi everyone, welcome at Flower Factor. Today I'm going to show you a really cool plant design and we're going to use all types of bromeliads. So interesting for company work, not only because the bromeliads are really strong and available in so many colors, but also it has a strong feeling, easy to take care of, and of course you can make a lot of impression. So we have these little pieces of bark and I'm just going to give them some glue and we're going to glue them on. So once we have the bark on, basically what I do is I take a little bit of clay and I go in between and I push it in really tight. We can make something like this. And in this case, I elevated it onto a bamboo stick to create really a little bit of jungle feeling. And now we can play with the beautiful plants. I've already put some soil inside and we're just gonna carefully take them out of the pots and place them in already. And I'm going to play a lot with different heights. And of course, when you want to maintain your plants, your bromeliads, we can easily put in water in between the leaves and then it will last a long time. I'm going to add some of these vines to create a little bit more that jungle feeling. And the nice thing about using bromeliads for company work is they have a really good way of filtering the air. I hope you enjoy this design. And of course, I hope that you try the technique using the bark and the clay, that you experiment with the different bromeliads. And of course, we hope to see you next time here at Flower Factor. Bye bye.